how to turn off or on autoplay on Spotify PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open your Spotify, and now go to this one here in the top corner and click on it, and as you see here you will find settings. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one here, autoplay, and that's it. You can turn it off or on, just manage it and then go back, it will be saved, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.